Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video. You can see here it's from the Mag. So box is pretty good. Nice amount of tape, not a lot of vibrations inside. As always, when you're opening up your packages, cut away from you. Oh, this is really cool. They actually hand wrote on it. That's awesome for customer service. Here is one Sentry Strap, Coyote Tan, and then here is another one, Multicam Black. So I bought two, one for each rifle, and let's open them up. So as you can see right here, there's actually some magnets and it goes back together pretty well. This is the part that you would actually, wrap around the handguard or on your stock of your firearm. So this is the Coyote Tan. Nice color to it. And experimenting with something different that I've never used before, Multicam Black. So as you can see, it's black and there's some little splotches of pattern there. Same strong magnet. And if you're wondering why, I purchased these because I actually ordered some Blue Force Gear slings, and there's going to be times, I already know, that I'm going to be shooting my firearm or my rifles for these matter, where I don't need to use a sling, and I'm probably going to be a little too lazy to take off the sling. So these are a nice option to have so that you can have your sling bunched up on your rifle, ready to go, and if you need to use it, you can just pull it out and you're ready to start slinging rounds down range. I also purchased this extension strap for my Coyote Tan one. And the main reason I did this is because the Coyote Tan is actually going to be going on my MR556. And the main reason I bought the extension is because as it's going to be a recce rifle and I'm going to be using it for medium distance, I bought a padded sling for it just for some extra comfort. And when you bunch that up, it's probably, I don't doubt that it's going to be a little bit thicker. So having this extension to wrap everything nice and tight together is going to be very handy. But that's my thought about having these Sentry Straps. If you guys use them or don't use them, please comment and let me know below why. Last thing that's in the box, one sticker. Anytime I order anything from a company, I always ask for stickers because it's a great source of marketing. Plus, I can put it on my car or I can put it on my cooler. Shout out to Mag for sending that with me. I appreciate you guys. I'm super excited to test out this product when my Blue Force Gear slings come through, and I will include a photo of what the firearm looks like in my follow-up video. Thank you guys for watching. Please stay safe. Comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, guys.